Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming in with a really cool product. This is from Sena.com. These guys make all sorts of really cool helmets, and this is a wonderful smart bicycling helmet. It's the R1 Smart Cycling Helmet, and this thing is pretty cool. It's got built-in speakers and microphone, group intercom, where you can intercom with other members of your bicycling team that have it, and it's got phone pairing so you can use your phone with it, etc., and it's engineered for comfort and safety. It's got an integrated microphone built into it, built-in speakers, and makes it so that you can just be able to still see around you, be able to know what's going on, just like a normal helmet. And you can communicate with your fellow riders using the group intercom. This thing's pretty cool. You can even keep this conversation going up to 0.5 miles. So if your group is kind of away from you, if you're in that 0.5 miles area, you can do that as well. It's got Bluetooth pairing with your phone for the on-the-go accessories, and it even has, this is pretty crazy, an integrated FM radio. So if you want to listen to the local stations, you can as well. It's pretty cool that way. And then it's got good protection for you. It's got an in-mold polycarbonate shell with an expanded polystyrene liner. It's adjustable, and the lining is removable, washable, inner padding, and smooth eco leather chin strap with perfectly placed chin pad and a spin lock for all your superior protection and cozy fit. So you spin the little thing on the back, it will bring it in, tighten it up, loosen it up, and you can be nice and cozy in your thing. You can use the Sena smartphone app that lets you take control of the features. You can enable groups of intercom friends to connect with you, save presets of your favorite FM station, access the quick guide on the go. Pretty cool that way. So, wow, there's a lot of different stuff that goes into this baby. It's even fitness app compatible, 4-way intercom, so you can have 4 different ones hooked up to it, high-grade polymer plastic, music sharing, and advanced noise control. Comes in 3 different colors. And you can check them out on their website. We got a chance to test it out, play with it. Highly recommend it. The sound on it's really good, so you can talk to each other, hear what's going on. And wow, what a great way to, if you're really into bicycling with teams and stuff, this is a great way to get your whole team on the same page. Anyway, be sure to go check it out. Go to Sena.com, that's Sena.com, and tell them Chris Voss sent you. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.